So you probably clicked on this video curious to know why you'll never be rich. You're probably jobless. Or maybe you're working a job that you hate. Or maybe you're in college and you have no idea what you want to do. You see all these ultra successful people online killing it, making money. And you think to yourself for a second, what if I could become rich? What if I could become ultra successful like them? So then you start watching all these inspirational videos like this one, and you're motivated and you have a fire lit under you. You start telling all your friends, I'm gonna start a business. I'm gonna become an entrepreneur. I'm gonna start making music. I'm gonna start going for my dream. And then the fire kind of dies down a week later and you lose that motivation. And you go back to your jobless or job that you hate life. Or you continue the college you were attending. And you kind of tell yourself, hey, I don't think I could become rich. You start making every excuse in the book. I don't have the mentors. My parents aren't rich. I don't have the guidance. I don't have the connections. I don't have the money. And then you just kind of live this life of mediocrity, even though deep down inside, you know you want to be rich. You know you want to make money. You know you want to take care of your family, yourself, do the things that you want, buy whatever you want, travel, experience, love. But you tell yourself, hey, I'm comfortable here. I'm gonna stick to living a mediocre life, even though I know deep down inside I want to be wealthy, even though deep down inside I want the things that I want. Maybe the life I want is not realistic. You have all these doubts and excuses. This is the exact reason why you will never be rich. There's a lot of people with that exact mindset I just described. Because you don't have the resources, because you don't have the connections or the education or the people around your circle that are already made it, millionaires, right? 90% of people in this world just settle and are just comfortable where they're at. Oh, let me just make 5, 6, 7K a month and then I'm good. Even though deep down inside, that's not what you want and you know you are destined for more. But you're just flat out lazy. You have a lazy mentality, you have a lazy work ethic, and you're just comfortable. What separates successful people versus mediocre people is that successful people, they don't even have to have all the connections. They don't even have to be the smartest person in the room. They don't even have to have the most money in the room. All they're doing is being resilient, showing up for themselves, putting in the work. If they don't have the resources, they'll find the resources. If they don't have the money, they'll find the money. They'll get the money. You know what I mean? Like, to me, it's crazy that a lot of y'all really talk yourself out of things. You tell yourself, oh, I can't do that because I don't have those connections. I don't have the funds. It's all about the mind. What you tell yourself and what you believe in is what you're gonna gravitate towards.
The law of attraction. All thoughts turn into things eventually.
The person that says they can and can't are both usually right. I didn't have connections growing up. I didn't have the money. I didn't have the rich parents. They weren't millionaires. They were not financially literate. I had to really learn these things on my own. I know a lot of y'all don't have connections. Right now, just for the heck of it, I'm creating a community of successful entrepreneurs where we can all connect, talk to each other, learn, have live calls, guest speakers. The link will be in the description below if you're all about growing, if you're all about changing your mindset. If you don't have the connections, if you don't have the mentors, this is it right here. Remember, your network is your net worth. Growing up, I had the traditional old school parents. They said go to college, get a good job, have a family, buy a house, and that's it. See, my parents weren't millionaires. They were not financially literate. I'm so blessed and grateful to have understand that, hey, that is not the route I want to go. That is not the journey I want to take. I want to be my own boss. I want to be able to provide for my family, for myself, and do the things that I want. The luxury of having the freedom to take care of your family, your friends, yourself, to go anywhere you want in the world, to buy anything that you need. See, life is about experiencing, good or bad. But for the most part, life is about time, having more time by your side to experience and to do more things. A lot of us are just working a job that we hate and working to die. How much time do you have on your side? Every day, how much time do you have for yourself? A couple hours and then you go to bed? At 21, 22, I decided, after college, I decided I'm gonna take my own route because I knew that the old traditional system wasn't for me. That turned out to a successful YouTube channel.
Hey, what's going on, guys? It's SnewJ. Wanted to show you guys a video on how to ride a motorcycle.
That turned out to partnerships and collaborations and business opportunities. I could have made the excuses. I didn't have millionaire parents. So what I did is just take a chance, be resilient in whatever it is I chose, and put my mind to it. And if I didn't have the answer, I'll find the answer, the resources. Too many people quit before they can actually succeed. You only fail if you quit. And a lot of people just give up. They just, oh, I give up. I can't open this business. I can't do this. The thing is, you're not taking accountability. You're being weak, really weak. You're blaming everybody else but yourself. Let's just blame all the rich people. Let's just blame all the successful people when you have full control to be whoever you want to be. But you're not taking action. You just keep complaining. How many people you know complain every day and are stuck in the same exact place? You need to put your head down, stop complaining, stop blaming everybody else, and do what you need to do. And what's crazy is that a lot of y'all will probably keep complaining and pointing fingers to other people and not do anything about your current situation. That's just a reality, and it's sad. I'm so tired of people out there just saying, oh, I can't do this because they're just lazy. I got friends that have potential to do a lot of things. They're just sitting on wasted talent, and they're just dealing with whatever it is. Like, oh, I'm comfortable here at this job, it's paying the bills, and that's all I want. You watching this video, I know deep down inside here, stop thinking just because you don't have the connections and you don't have the money, you can't achieve success. You have to switch the mindset. You have to understand, like, yo, I'm capable. You know, I could really do it. You just have to be resilient. You just have to show up for yourself. The last thing I want you to do is be 70 years old, thinking back, man, I should have done this. I should have taken that chance. I should have started that business. I should have pursued that career. The worst thing in life is regret. You're doing yourself a disservice if you're just living to just work and not trying to buy your time back. Every single person, I always say this, every single person in this world, you're destined to be great. You're destined to be more than what you're already doing. Remember, the things that we do is what we do, but it's not who we are. Who are you? What are you doing besides just working and, oh, let me play some video games. Let me go out with the boys on Friday night. There's more to life than that. I'm starting a community of successful entrepreneurs if you like to join, where we can all learn from each other, connect, have the live calls, guest speakers, talk to each other. Link is in the description. That's a great head start right there. You'll be able to really grow and learn, you know, business skills and life skills. And remember, your network is your net worth. So I'm all about providing value in this channel. And this is a way where I feel like I didn't have the connections. I didn't have those resources. I had to go get it on my own. So why not make it easier for y'all and start a community where it's in the palm of your hands, from your phone or your laptop, and where we can all just connect and grow together. I really want you guys and girls to be successful in whatever it is that you do. I want you to be happy, enjoy this journey. Nothing's gonna be perfect, that we're always gonna fail, but you don't really fail unless you quit. To keep striving for excellence, knowing that you gotta be the best version of yourself possible. And don't listen to the naysayers, don't listen to the negative people. You're more than capable of reaching ultra success. You are. Just be resilient. That's all. Just be resilient. That's the word of the day, okay? So, hey, if you're new, subscribe, hit that notification bell, so every time I post, you'll be alerted. And don't hesitate in this life. Remember, no hesitate. Let's go.
Look what you had done. Playing with my feelings got me thinking you the one. I swear you're doing all of this just to have some fun. When I saw those red flags, should've did that and just run. Yeah, look what you have done. Breaking girls' hearts down, look what I become.